Hey everyone! Get ready for fiery explosions in nature's fury. From cars blazing like fireworks to landslides smashing homes like a Hollywood scene. Just a heads up, this is for fun, and a tiny reality check. In real life, safety should be the only thing that goes full blast. One collision, one explosion. Luckily, no one was too close when the gas tank blew up. A strong warning for those who still think explosions only happen in movies. Be careful with your water filters, folks. Luckily, this time it was just cold water. Bum, bum, bum. A domino setup LPG style. Didn't even make it to the grand opening, already had a grand explosion. That lucky opening combo might have been a little too strong. The Bees River doesn't go around, it goes through. Everything in its path becomes part of the terrain buffet. Eight kilometers isn't a short distance. A basic data entry mistake led to a disaster-level outcome. Where was the target verification system? Using fire to inflate a tire might seat the bead quickly, but it's extremely dangerous if you don't control the gas and flame. In Vietnam, power lines don't just conduct electricity, they ignite passion. Helicopter. I didn't mean to crash, just wanted to land with style. The power grid disagreed. A small mistake with the battery can lead to unimaginable consequences. Charge properly and avoid cheap products, everyone.
Gasolina borbulhando, gerando vapor da gasolina e gerando...
Because life wasn't dramatic enough, we decided to cosplay a mini Molotov indoors. car fire in a tunnel is every transit system's nightmare. Thankfully, 1-7 foam system knocked it down fast, saving lives and the structure.
Сейчас. Давай.
One malfunction, the entire aircraft snapped in half. There's no such thing as a minor accident in aviation. Every crash comes with a costly lesson. When the steel factory suddenly changed careers to perform musical fountain shows, Molten Metal Edition at 1500 DC.
Не надо. Не туши ты, бля, снегом, а? Пиздец, смотри, что делает, бля.
The road is not a battlefield. A little self-control can prevent serious consequences from a moment of rage. Motorcyclist mindset, no matter the circumstances. Driving cautiously ahead and being aware of your surroundings is always an advantage. never expected that a car with a camera would become the hero saving the truck. The thief will surely remember this lesson for a long time. Take off like lightning, land like fireworks, but in the end it's just a wave of relief for 1,000 anxious hearts. Flash floods are sudden, but they also raise big questions about drainage capacity and early warning systems in modern cities.
There goes the tree. Floyd, back up. Get back here.
A car is not a chemistry lab. Perfume contains alcohol. Add a lit cigarette, and it burns like a movie scene. A building may collapse in seconds, but rebuilding lives for survivors takes years. Not just Iran. Refinery explosions have also occurred in the US, China, and India. Rapid industrialization without safety measures comes at a high cost. The flipped car on that truck probably thought it bought a ride ticket, didn't expect the full roller coaster experience. Before the Fortuner could do anything, the truck had already plunged into the ditch. Perhaps the engine was running too hot. Watford scores again with the horizontal trap this time. The victim was a van that lost its rear door. Rainy weather, slippery roads, slow down. Don't let your trip turn into a lesson you'll never forget. A truck lost control, and its cargo danced like a circus performer, but no one could laugh witnessing such a scene. Almost lost the door, but thankfully ancestors called out from behind. Possibly caused by a broken bearing or improperly torqued wheel, a truck losing a wheel on the road is a disaster waiting to happen. Myanmar isn't just about golden temples. The Hot Air Balloon Festival in Tungi is truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Shovel must be Titan level plus 10 to dare scoop molten metal like that. Wow, the gas station just turned into a fireworks show. Luckily, no one was hurt. Next time, let's keep the explosions to a minimum. Stay vigilant. A split second of distraction led to a staged collision. Leaving the victim without their car, never let your guard down, especially when you're alone. Moment of life and death, a small car pinned against the barrier. Face to face with an oncoming truck, just a blink of an eye could change fate forever. High-stakes chase a suspect in a yellow Mustang weaves through rush hour traffic on the 101, 405 freeways, and residential areas in Inglewood. After the tires were shredded, the pursuit ended on the 91 freeway in Gardena, with both the driver and passenger apprehended. Without a rollover prevention tool, it became a memorable roll. Result, the truck's front had to be changed, a costly lesson. "400 firefighters is a massive number. Clearly, this facility lacked essential fire and explosion protection. That takeoff looked like making friends with the hangar. The pilot must have been telling a great story in the clouds. Flying without paying attention leads to nasty surprises. Install something like this and you better start praying, not out of faith, but out of fear of explosion. The road is meant for cars, but apparently the sky wanted a parking slot too. These days, drivers don't just dodge potholes, they dodge planes. Scenes like this should be shown in every workplace safety training, simple, visual, and unforgettable. When safety is overlooked, the price could be an entire factory. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.